Do you agree that you had opportunity and also motive for setting fire to the car because you had a run-in with the youths earlier on in the day?
Yes. I'm hardly the kind of person that would commit a crime, though, am I?
Except in 1988 when you received a suspended sentence for shooting a traffic warden in the foot. It's not easy being a policeman, you know.
Maybe not.
What am I going to say to him when he arrives? I've not had a date with a man for 15 years. What am I going to say to him?
Say to him, "Hello, Alex.
Hello, Alex.
Can I take
your pants jacket? Oh, God, he's here. He's here. Okay. Hello, good evening. Come on up, please. Yes, thank you.
Right, he's just a chap here for a meal.
Yeah, for a meal. I forgot to cook the meal.
The meal is in the oven.
In the oven.
Now, I'm going to wait around for a minute just to check he isn't psychotic, and then I'm going to leave you two alone together.
Okay.
Hello?
Hello. Come on in.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Blancmange for pudding. Lost its rabbit shape on the walk over.
Oh, right. Right. That's Angela. She'll be going in a minute.
Yeah, I'm going to leave you two to it.
So, this is just a nice, relaxing evening, really.
What's that?
That is a loaded gun. That's Angela's gun. Nothing to worry about. You weren't supposed to see that. Don't look at that. Just don't look at that at all. Yeah, okay. Come and sit down here. That's it. So, this is just a very relaxed, sort of casual evening. No, I mean, I know that you've been through a very messy divorce recently, so last thing either of us needs really is loads of pressure. Isn't it?
Very true.
So... Jacket.
Thanks.
Bye.
My name is Jeff Bax. I am a leisure facility executive. Father of 2 children. Or is it 3? Honest as the day is long. Not that I'm any less honest during the winter when the days are shorter, just to be clear.
And I'm going to be honest with you, Mr. Bax. The net is closing in on the guilty party.
Is it? Do you want a drink?
No, not on duty.
Oh, go on. Have a Baileys.
You haven't got any ice creams back there?
No.
So, the owners of the soon-to-be torched vehicle entered your leisure facility at approximately in the evening at some point.
Yes, they did.
You served them.
Yes.
They horsed around.
You could call it that, yes.
Call it that. Things got more out of hand.
Can't remember.
You got angry with them.
Well,
And you shouted something at them.
is that a question?
Yes.
I may have said something like, "Stop that horsing around, please."
You made a specific threat. Can you remember what that was?
No. The old memory bank's let me down.
You said, any more of that and I'll set fire to your car. Didn't you?
It wasn't me. I'm innocent.
I'm going to need to gather all the suspects in here. So, a car was destroyed. Why? Because the vehicle's owners deserved it, didn't they? They had offended 5, normally law-abiding villagers. So, did Jeff do it? He had a motive. He'd even threatened to perform that very act of vandalism.
Get on with it. Yeah, come on. We're only not in 20 minutes.
But as landlord of a busy pub, would he have had time to slip away and set fire to a car? No, he wouldn't.
Might have actually. More slipping away.
No, you wouldn't. So let's move on to Mr. Jake Trethowan. He had a motive, and he had a burnt hand.
No, that was me.
Beg pardon?
Harry had the burnt hand. My thing was I'd used up petrol from my spare can on the boat.
That's right. Sorry.
I'm really going to have to open up the Witchcraft Centre. Are you going to come to me last?
I may do that if that's what justice requires.
Oh no, that means he thinks I did it. It's always the last person.
Where are you going?
I'm going for a piss.
I can't go for a piss. I'm doing a summing up.
I'll tell him what you said.
No, he has to listen. Poirot didn't have people going for a piss. Right. Where was I?
I have something to say. I didn't want to have to say this, but you need to speak to Mary.
The Mel's a Lego buying fireworks, is that? As if I'm going to sell you those. What you actually need is these. 10 quid more, but they'll take your breath away. Actually, they're made in China. Probably take your eyebrows away as well. I'll have that. Go on, scram.
Mary Crigwednack, will you accompany me to the police station, please?
What? Why?
I need to speak with you.
Anything you want to say to me, you can say in front of my customers.
Did you destroy blue Vauxhall Astra, registration KN081, on the evening of the 23rd last?
Yes, I did.
Take a seat. Yes, it's too cozy. I've done the memo. Right. Please describe what happened on the evening in question.
Well, I spent all evening in our flat with my friend Angela. We snogged and we realised that the sexual sparkle had gone out of our relationship. But don't get me wrong, I still love her. Oh, right. Angela told me that there'd been some trouble that day and that everyone was very upset with these hooligans. So the phone went and it was Holly calling from the pub, and she said that these lads was down there roughing people up and that it was disgusting and they didn't know what to do. They'd called the police, but your answer phone was on.
No, we do that. That's true.
Now, this is where the slightly illegal part comes. Angela has got a gun left over from a traffic warden shooting incident from many years ago when she was going through one of her bad patches. Actually, you ought to have that. So, I opened our window, I aimed the shooter, and in a simple act of community justice, and as a sort of friendly warning, I blasted the bastard's car to Kingdom Come. Very satisfying, I think you'll agree.
Okay, well, I'll let it go on this occasion. But do that again, and I'll have the full weight of the law crashing down on your head.
I love it when you're strict. So, I hear you're going out with WPC Smithers.
That is correct.
Is she here at all? I'll tell you you're checking her.
No. She's not here anyway. She's away on the manga management course.
Oh, is she?
Okay, on your way then.
You know she's a werewolf, don't you?
No, you're just being foolish.
Oh, she is.